tuned into Indian Link Radio, Australia's favorite Hindi radio station. Indian Link.
एंड ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा सा जिंदापन तब भी फील होता है जब आप दिल से ट्रैवल करते हैं. एंड ट्रैवलिंग विद अ मैसेज फॉर अ कॉज इवन बेटर. इंडियन लिंक रेडियो पर आप हैं मेरे यानी एकता के साथ. एंड आज मुझे ज्वाइन किया है एक पैशनेट ट्रैवलर ने हु ट्रैवल्ड अराउंड 16,000 किलोमीटर्स इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया इन 50 डेज. नाम जतिन कोटेचा. काम बिजनेसमैन, पैशन ट्रैवलिंग. और फिलहाल मेरे साथ इंडियन लिंक रेडियो पर जतिन है. जतिन, अ वेरी वेरी वार्म वेलकम ऑन इंडियन लिंक रेडियो. कैसे हैं आप?
Thank you very much, Ekta. It's a pleasure being on your show, and hi to your viewers.
जतिन, आपके बारे में पढ़ा, आपके बारे में जाना एंड एवरीथिंग वाज सो एक्साइटिंग. 50 डेज में ऑस्ट्रेलिया के अराउंड घूमना, 16,000 किलोमीटर मोटर बाइक ट्रिप करना, ये अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? एक वर्ड में कैसे डिस्क्राइब करेंगे आप?
I would probably put it in 2 words. Fantastic and amazing, because everything about the ride was amazing. I was totally amazed with it.
वाओ. सो जतिन, सबसे पहले जब आपकी राइड के बारे में मैंने पढ़ा, बहुत ही अच्छे कॉज के लिए आपने ये मोटर बाइक राइड की है. बट पहले आप ये बताइए कि ये कॉज क्या है, सो दैट आवर लिसनर्स कैन नो मोर अबाउट इट. एंड ऑल्सो आपने बाइक को क्यों चुना इंस्टेड ऑफ अ कार और मे बी अ कैरावान?
One of the things, one of my biggest passion is riding and motorcycles. So this was the trip that I always wanted to do. So originally I was planning to do Leh Ladakh, and due to COVID we couldn't travel to India, so I couldn't actually do that. But बाद में मैंने यहाँ पे रिसर्च किया, पता चला कि ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि you could go around Australia.
Right.
And the loop, कभी इसको loop बोलते हैं या left बोलते हैं, it's actually quite a popular route.
Yeah.
But it's mainly popular with caravans and not with motorcycles because of such extreme and varied weather.
Yeah.
So जब motorcycle की बात आती है तो it becomes an adventure because of that. So that's why it sort of appealed me a lot. And yeah, that's one of the reasons why I thought, you know what, if I had to do this for the first time, motorcycle would be the best way to do it.
Yeah.
Because it's not just about the ride, but also the fact that when you are going in different areas, you feel the heat, smell, everything. So you are actually so much alive throughout the journey.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was that. And in regards to the actual cause, basically, when I decided to do this, my wife Devangi, she said, if you're doing this, you might as well support something that you believe in.
Yeah.
And at the same time, Sadhguru had just started riding as well for his Save Soil campaign. So I thought, yeah, this is a fantastic thing. I can definitely, that's something I believe in as well.
Yeah.
And I could maybe have a small contribution towards that and maybe try and get the word out. So I basically branded the bike with the Save Soil logo.
Wow.
And wherever I traveled, I tried to basically put the sticker on and share that on social media and try and get the word out.
Yeah.
At the same time, when I was traveling, आप अकेले ट्रैवल करते हो और प्लस जब आप टाउन के बाहर होते हो,
exactly,
what happens is that there are very few people. So whoever you see will come and talk to you, you talk to them.
Yes.
So conversations होता रहता है. And plus, the places where I was going, it was like farms and cattle stations and things like that. जहाँ पे this campaign is one of the message that needs to go there as well.
Yeah.
So that way I was able to pass the message, and and when I used to talk to them, they also had the same kind of response, a very positive response that soil deterioration is actually a big problem, and they've seen it firsthand as well, and they totally agree and support the cause.
Yeah.
So so that was save soil is something. It's not just affecting a small portion or a small area or just in India or somewhere. It's actually a worldwide issue, and it's one of the biggest problems we are facing for the future. So it's something that at least everyone needs to be aware of. And the way I believe in this, if I am able to pass the message to 10 people, and if one of them is able to either spread the message further or do something about it, I think I've done the job.
How beautiful is that? And those who are tuned in right now, let me tell you, जतिन कोटेचा से मैं बात कर रही हूँ, इंडियन ऑस्ट्रेलियन बिजनेसमैन जिनकी जर्नी बाइक पर शुरू हुई 30 अप्रैल को, जब वो अपने घर मेलबर्न से निकले और ये जर्नी फिनिश हुई 18 जून को. और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग जर्नी, इन्होंने एक मिशन के साथ, एक पैशन के साथ ये जर्नी पूरी की. एंड आई थिंक इंडियन ऑस्ट्रेलियन कम्युनिटी के लिए एक बहुत ही प्राउड फीलिंग है कि आप एक मैसेज के साथ, एक मिशन के साथ एक इतनी कमाल की जर्नी करते हैं. बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस भी रहे होंगे जतिन, आपने बताया था आप एक वेजिटेरियन हैं, क्या क्या चैलेंजेस रहे?
That's very true. The fact being, Australia is not exactly an absolute vegetarian-friendly country. Because the culture and how people have been living for generations is, it's all meat-oriented. And particularly the area where I was going, like for example, I was traveling across the Kimberleys and all those regions is actually beef country. Okay. So I was on the other end of the spectrum. Yeah. But one thing surprised me was wherever I went, for some reason they tend to have veggie burger everywhere.
Wow!
And that was my lifeline throughout. But there were times as well where there was nothing available. So I practically had to pick a few things and उसको देना पड़ता कि इसमें से कुछ बनाओ.
चलो यार ऐसे बनाओ.
So I mean, it was an interesting experience, and an interesting challenge. I know that a lot of people doing the same would have actually ऐसा किया होगा कि चलो ये ट्रिप के लिए कुछ खा लेंगे, अंडा खा लेंगे, या fish खा लेंगे. But I thought, if I'm doing it, I might as well do it right. Or
right.
This will also be a challenge, and it wasn't it was fairly good actually. I never slept hungry. That's for sure.
That's wonderful, my dear friend. Because being a vegetarian, I think एक बाकी तो चीजें हैं, but I think ये भी एक अपने आप में challenge रहा होगा.
Yeah, absolutely. और दूसरी बात ये है कि when people do understand.
Yeah.
जैसे कि if I'm at a roadhouse and I'm ordering something, like they don't have anything, and that ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो लोग आपको बोलेंगे नहीं कुछ नहीं है, आप we can't help you. But they would actually make an effort to try and stir up something so that they can feed you, because उन लोगों को मालूम है कि 300-400 किलोमीटर either way there is nothing there.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Exactly. So अभी जो लोग सुन रहे हैं भाई, जतिन कोटेचा से मैं बात कर रही हूँ, जिनका प्रोजेक्ट का नाम है ग्रैंड एक्सपीड. आप इनके सोशल हैंडल्स पर ग्रैंड एक्सपीड के नाम से, इंस्टाग्राम पर, फेसबुक पर, एंड ऑल्सो वेरी सून ऑन यूट्यूब पर आप इनको देख सकते हैं, इनकी जर्नी के बारे में पढ़ सकते हैं. लेकिन फिलहाल जतिन, जब ये इस तरह का स्टेप आप उठाते हैं तो घर वालों के रिएक्शन सब तरफ से आते हैं, राइट? सो योर मदर, योर वाइफ, योर ग्रैंड मदर, योर किड, क्या उनका रिएक्शन क्या था जब उन्हें पता चला you want to do something like this?
First one was my wife, of course, Devangi.
Yeah.
She at the start she was obviously a little shocked that I was thinking something like this. She is like, you must have gone crazy due to COVID.
Yeah. Oh God.
And I said to her, these are the kind of things I always wanted to do. Or we had something similar planned. I mean, I was going to go to India for Leh Ladakh, and that didn't happen. So that would have been equally crazy. But I said, you know what? Then I talked to her about the whole thing and what I had thought and all of that. And then she started supporting me. And not just supporting me, but she went a step further and she became part of the whole project. And things like because I was carrying my carrying tent and everything.
Yeah.
Because I was prepared to camp out if need be.
Yeah.
But predominantly, I mean, the whole idea was that I would be staying in motels.
Oh, okay.
But there were like about 47 motels to be booked, and we couldn't book everything in advance because in case there is any change, so we had to book along the way. So she constantly supported me. Usne constantly, like in terms of booking the motels, or there were times when we had other challenges, like we had to immediately change the tire, for example.
Yeah.
Now, if you are in Melbourne or Sydney or any other metro cities, that's not a problem. But if you're out there, you need to locate a place where the tire can be
Exactly.
have a stock, and she and my brother and my sister-in-law and all of them, they sort of pulled in together and actually helped with with all these challenges. Plus, there was a constant support. Everyone I spoke to, as the trip started, everyone gradually. जैसे ही सबको पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट और सब कुछ समझ में आने लगा, everyone started supporting, and I was really surprised the kind of support I have got. From my wife, my family, not just my family, but my close friends, and even the community as well. Like everyone was so supportive. So yeah, I mean, that was one of the fear I had, that maybe I won't be able to convince some people, but ऐसा नहीं हुआ. Everyone was very proud of it. Like my mother was totally shocked. She didn't want me to write.
Oh, okay.
My grandmother, no one was able to go to her and say he's planning to do this. But eventually we were able to pass on the message, and right now she's very proud and very happy that I've done it.
I am sure she is. Yeah. जतिन, ये इतनी लंबी ट्रिप, 50 डेज, 16,000 किलोमीटर्स, जब आपने ये जर्नी शुरू की, राइडिंग फॉर अ कॉज विद अ मैसेज, आई थिंक अपने आप में एक बहुत प्राउड फीलिंग होती है. बट ऑब्वियसली जर्नी कोई भी हो, इतनी लंबी जर्नी के लिए आप अपने आप को थोड़ा प्रिपेयर करते हैं, और इतने लंबे दिनों के लिए तो और प्रिपेयर किया होगा आपने. सो कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें दैट यू मेड श्योर यू विल कीप विथ योर सेल्फ, कोई ऐसी चीज़ें बाइक पे आप एडजस्ट करके थोड़ी बहुत आपने रखी हो?
Two things is something that I will definitely carry with me. One is water and the other one is petrol.
Yes.
Because when I was doing the research, I found that petrol stations are at a very long distance. काफी distance में.
कभी हुआ जतिन बीच में पेट्रोल खत्म?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh my God! Then what happened?
Luckily, एक बार तो ऐसा हुआ कि luckily मेरे पास just enough था स्पेयर में, खाली हो गया था, थोड़ा ही बचा था, जो मुझे नेक्स्ट पेट्रोल स्टेशन तक पहुंचा देता था.
Okay.
अब निकलने के पहले आई डिडंट नो हाउ द बाइक वुड साउंड जब पेट्रोल खाली होता है, पर अब मुझे मालूम है.
राइट. जतिन, जो लोग इसी तरह की जर्नीज विद अ मैसेज करना चाहते हैं, इतने लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस पे ट्रैवल करने का सोच रहे हैं, एनी फ्यू टिप्स फॉर देम, एनी लेसन्स फॉर द फ्यूचर जनरेशन, दोज हु वांट टू डू समथिंग लाइक दिस?
Absolutely. There is, I mean, before I was doing this particular one, ये around Australia का मैंने प्लान किया.
Yeah.
So I couldn't really find complete information जो मुझे ट्रिप में हेल्प कर सके.
Right.
So what I decided was कि जो भी मैं कर रहा हूँ, I'll try and keep a record of everything, including photos and all the figures and everything.
Right.
And then I'll share it on my website, grandexpert.com.
Okay.
So it's अभी काम चल रहा है वेबसाइट पे, but it will come up soon, and then वहाँ पे सब सारी information आ जाएगी. So anyone who is planning to do it can definitely go on the website, can even look at the social media information, जो accounts में, वहाँ पे we have shared everything. But a few things I will definitely say, can definitely do it. कभी आपको लगता है कि यार इतना लंबा है, ये वो है, पर just think about it. मैंने जो किया वो 50 दिन में किया. If someone wanted to, हमारी लाइफ में इतनी बड़ी लाइफ होती है, हम कितनी बार हम 2-3 महीने भी ब्रेक ले लेते हैं. If need भी कभी कभी जरूरत भी होती है, कभी कभी और थोड़ा बहुत इनकन्वीनियंस भी हम हैंडल कर लेते हैं. So sometimes you also have to think about your own self and just do it for yourself. So yeah, I will definitely say one thing, आप करना चाह रहे हो तो you should definitely go ahead with it.
Right.
And the other thing is that sometimes it's like अभी होगा कि नहीं, there are so many fears that we have, but as you get started, things fall in place.
एग्जैक्टली जतिन, ये जो पूरी ट्रिप आपकी रही, आई एम श्योर देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट यू एक्सपीरियंस फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. ग्रेट ओशन रोड हो गया, क्रोकोडाइल्स का सामना, देन द अबॉरिजिनल कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज एंड मैनी मैनी अदर थिंग्स. बट इतनी सारी चीज़ों के बीच में कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो हमेशा यादगार रहने वाली है, समथिंग मोस्ट मेमोरेबल फ्रॉम दिस ट्रिप.
Oh, there were so many funny moments and
Okay.
strange, different things that happened.
हम्म.
बहुत सारी चीज है.
हम्म.
Like even just it's इतना कुछ है कि एक कम समय में बोलना कवर करना भी डिफिकल्ट है. But I'll just try and pick up a few things. Like
Yeah.
for example, riding across the Nalabar. एकदम
Oh.
स्ट्रेट रोड है, आजू बाजू देखो एकदम प्लेन है, एक सिंगल ट्री नहीं है वहाँ पे.
Oh.
But the whole experience of being there,
हम्म.
that in itself is an amazing feeling. फिर Kimberley's में आप जा रहे हो तो it's very hot over there, but still the whole openness and the vastness of everything, it's just amazing. The Great Australian Bight है,
Yeah.
वो नलाबार के पैरेलल में ही है. But I mean when I was going there, that was something I missed.
हम्म.
But then when I was actually there, then my brother called me and he said, make sure you go there क्योंकि वो बाजू में ही है.
Yeah.
And when I looked at it, it was amazing.
Wow.
हम Great Ocean Road पे 12 posters देखते and we are like, oh, this is so amazing. But believe me, this is the Great Australian Bight. It's just the next level.
Wow.
Because it's not like it's like a cliff, but it's a cliff that goes on for kilometers on it.
हम्म.
It's huge, and everything about Australia is just huge.
एग्जैक्टली हर बार एक नया सरप्राइज होता है. आपकी ये एंटायर जर्नी में आपने फार्म्स देखे, लेक्स देखे, डेजर्ट्स देखे, कुछ एनिमल्स, बीचेस, हिल्स, सब कुछ देखा. वेजिटेरियन फूड जो आप एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर रहे होंगे वो भी आपने ट्राई किया. सो व्हेन आर यू प्लानिंग योर नेक्स्ट ट्रिप विथ अ मैसेज, जतिन?
When I started this project, Grand Experience, it was about it's my personal project, but I'm putting it on website and social to share the experience.
Yeah.
But the whole idea was to get out of the comfort zone. क्योंकि हम जब छोटे होते तो we are looking at things and we are full of wanting to do things.
Yeah.
Or as we get into the routine, we start giving everything up.
Yeah.
But the whole idea was to get back and actually get back on the real adventure of life. And this is one of them, the Grand Australian Ride. And there are few, there's definitely more coming. But obviously, right now my focus is to compile जो भी मैंने किया है and put it to share with everyone.
Yeah.
But once I'm done with that, you will find that there is a lot more to come.
अमेजिंग. जतिन, बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा है आपसे बात करके. इनफैक्ट मुझे खुद मैं डिसाइड नहीं कर पा रही हूँ इतनी जल्दी कैसे बातों को रैप अप करें. बट बिफोर आई लेट यू गो, आई वुड रियली वांट टू नो व्हेन यू आर राइडिंग, जब होता है ना एक लंबी रोड पे बस चले जा रहे हैं और कुछ मुड़ना नहीं है, यू जस्ट फोकस ऑन द रोड एंड एंजॉय द जर्नी, कौन से गाने आप अपने हेडफोन में प्ले करते हैं? कोई एक फेवरेट गाना आपका?
There are a few, but right now the one I can think about is probably Sindbad the Sailor.
Amazing. Farhan Akhtar song from Rock On. A beautiful choice.
Thank you.
आप गाते हुए जाते हैं इस गाने को?
Oh, बिल्कुल नहीं. कभी-कभी, yes, of course, because वहाँ पे कोई नहीं होता.
हाँ, okay.
Actually, when I'm riding, sometimes I'll be screaming over there because I know no one is looking.
But such a wonderful experience talking to you, Jatin. I wish you all the good luck in life and all the best for your journeys. आप ऐसी और journeys करते रहें और आप नए experiences life में लेते रहें. Keep traveling.
Thank you so much, Ekta, and thank you very much for allowing me to speak on your show. And thank you for your readers to spare the time to hear me.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. So भाई, जर्नी हो तो ऐसी हो. चलिए तो जतिन की फरमाइश पर